tyre pressure monitoring system is fit to most Volkswagen cars and lets you know if there's a loss of pressure or an issue with your tyres. There are a few things that can activate the warning system light other than a simple loss of pressure. For example, if your vehicle is too heavily loaded on one side, if there's any structure damage to the tyre or the wheel that will cause an uneven rolling resistance, if only one tyre has been changed and there's significant tread difference between the two tyres on the same axle, for example, the pair on the front or the pair on the rear. If your warning light does come on, check your tyre pressure at the nearest and safest opportunity. Once the fault has been corrected, the monitoring system will not reset itself. This will need to be done manually and instructions can be found in your Volkswagen handbook. Alternatively, pop in and we will conduct a free tyre inspection and a reset and get you on your way. Checking your tyres yourself is a relatively easy process, and we recommend you do it as regularly as possible and especially before long journeys. There are a few common signs of wear to look out for. For example, if your tyre is wearing in the centre but still has plenty of tread on the outside edges, this is an indication that your tyre could be running overinflated and the tyre pressures may need to be corrected. If you look at your tyre and there's wear on both outside edges but plenty of tread in the centre, this may mean again that your tyre is running slightly underinflated and the pressures may need to be corrected. There are a few examples of irregular tyre wear to look out for as well. For example, one edge wearing smooth, an uneven surface around the tyre itself, or flat or smooth spots within the tread. Any of these could be an indication that you may have an alignment issue. This can be quickly established and quickly rectified with a free geometry check and can have you back on the road at any time. A critical thing to look out for is age of your tyres. Volkswagen recommend changing at least every 6 years, as they can become brittle and start to crack, even though the tread itself may still be fine and you may only be doing low mileage. When you look at your tyre, you will find moulded lumps within the tread pattern itself. The location of these marks is on the sidewall with the abbreviations TWI, and will also be shown in your Volkswagen handbook. This is your tread wear indicator and is set at 2 mm. The legal depth for this country is 1.6 mm. However, we do advise replacing your tyres at 3 mm, because once you go below this measurement, stopping distances are greatly reduced, along with any wet grip handling or fuel economy benefits that you may have had when you bought your tyre brand new. Finding the correct tyre that suits not only the vehicle, but also your own personal needs is of the utmost importance, so you get the most benefit and value for money from the tyre that you've selected. We run a 3-tier tyre selection here, with economy, mid-range and premium. An economy tyre is aimed at the economical driver, a driver who does small journeys such as school runs or general local driving. A mid-range tyre is designed for someone who is doing commuting or more occasional long journeys, think long weekends away. And premium tyres are designed for long distance driving, heavy commuting or performance vehicles. Other things that can help you within your selection is the EU tyre labelling, which can be found on the tyre when purchased. This will show you a grade of wet grip handling, fuel economy and road noise. If you have any concerns about your tyres, please feel free to pop into Freeze for a free tyre inspection.